Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker. Today I have another affordable wig here for you guys. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click on that subscribe button down below. We are officially at 14K. We are 14K strong. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up just so I know that you guys want to see more affordable hair tutorials and hair reviews, so I can make sure you guys are out here slaying all spring, summer, all year long, baby. I'ma always keep you guys looking fresh out here in these streets. When have I let you guys down? What wig have I reviewed that was not bomb? Okay, also make sure you guys are following me on my social media accounts. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. I stay posting beautiful, dope pictures all the time, every week. I also have a Snapchat, so if you want to see what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, you're definitely going to want to follow me on Snapchat because I'm on there like every day. So if you guys are interested in finding out all the details on this wig, how much it costs, where did I get it from, what was the shipping like, does it tangle, does it shed, if you want to know all those questions, then continue watching. Okay, so here is the box that it comes in. It comes in this box, and it seems like this company is very eco-friendly. As you guys can see, they even have something here about recycling the box, and it is made in China. There is like a little sticky adhesive, so that's how this actually closes, and then this is kind of like that. These are obviously like tucked in, but yeah, you guys pretty much get the gist. This is their box that they have, and then the wig unit came inside folded up. Even like their hair tags are also made out of like recyclable material. And I think that's pretty great, especially for those of you guys who are eco-friendly as well and you want to work with companies that are eco-friendly. That is a plus for them. So the wig is tacked down by these two little metal pieces, and then the inside has the stuffing. I haven't taken anything out. Okay, I have to like pop this. There we go. Get that off. So that's off. And let me cut this part off. I'll be right back. The tag is like inside of the wig, so you guys can see that. I need to cut that off. So take the net off. And so this is what the part is looking like. It is a middle part unit, as you guys can see. There is like a little strip of color right there, which I kind of like. And the lace is not too bad. They also have little pre-made baby hairs in here. I think that's kind of cute, but I'm not going to be using those. I'm going to make my own. I might make use of some of them, but not most of them. So you guys see the lace. There isn't much lace parting here. There are some combs at the top here. I am going to cut all of these combs out because I hate combs. Oh, actually, maybe this is meant to be worn as a side part. I think it's meant to be worn as a side part because that looks like a curved part there. Let me take the rest of this off. So yeah, this is the hair all the way back here. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's a nice wig, but I think it'll look better once I like start pulling these curls out, because with the curls all uniform like this, it makes it look like kind of cheap. So right now I'm just using my hands and I'm just gonna pull out these curls. I just want to pull the curls out prior to actually doing anything with the wig. There is some shedding with this wig already, but I mean, that's kind of expected because it is curly hair and it is a synthetic unit. So synthetic hair usually does or tends to shed, especially if it's curly. Now this goes for real curly hair, fake curly hair, what have you. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and cut all of the lace off of the unit. Well, the lace that is exposed, and then I went ahead and adjusted the straps and cut out all of those combs. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and do some baby hairs in this unit. Where is my baby hair brush? That is the question. Let me go find it. Got my baby hair toothbrush. It's like all gunky and stuff from the edge control video. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and put like a little bit of baby hairs in here, and I just did like a cute little flip over because I just feel like this wig would look better like that. This is what the wig looks like in the middle with a middle part. I just have the same baby hair. I just split the hair up and just put it off to the middle. Now, I always end up doing this. I always end up having a flip over, putting it in the middle, and end up liking the middle better. But this hair is very large, so if you don't like voluminous hair or hair that could be a little bit on the warm side, you're not going to want this unit. But if you do want a affordable curly hair wig, this is definitely the one. So yeah, I love this wig, you guys. It looks so much better now that I like kind of fluffed up the roots a little bit. It just makes it look more like a little fro. So you guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go out and about. I'm gonna wear this unit, and I will be back just to give you guys kind of like how I feel about the wig once I've actually worn it for at least a couple of hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and when I come back, I will give you guys the final thoughts on this wig. Is it worth buying? I don't know. We'll have to find out real soon. So you guys, I've actually had this hair on for 24 hours. I just kept the same top on. I just reused the top, but I had this hair on for 24 hours, believe it or not. My best friend is having a baby, so I've actually slept at a hospital overnight, and this is what my hair is still looking like. I still look slayed. My hair is laid. The only thing that I did was like touch up my makeup, of course, you know, like the basics, just to freshen up, but I haven't done anything else really to the hair. The most I've done like over the past day or so, just kind of like pull the curls out just so I can like make the hair look a little bit more frizzy and more natural, because I feel like the curl pattern that it was like these super tight curls and they're really shiny like that. I feel like when your hair looks like that, it makes the wig look very cheap. So to prevent it from looking cheap, I made sure that I pulled all of those curls out and kind of gave me like a nice frizzy fro. If you want to save some money on some hair, I think this is a great like transition wig as well. Like if you're in between installs, if you're in between like a lace frontal type of situation, or you're getting like a sew-in or braids or something like that, I think this is just a great wig, especially for last minute things. Shipping for this wig was fairly quick, but please keep in mind, even though the shipping was quick for me, it may be different for you based off of where you live. So make sure that when you are on their website, go ahead and check out their shipping page, which will tell you everything it is you need to know about their shipping policies and how long it'll take for you to receive your unit, the processing time, all of those kinds of things. Obviously, you can click on the link down below to find out all of that information. So this unit was sent to me from HeraRemy.com. They are an online-based retailer that basically sells everything it is you need when it comes to hair. They have such a huge variety of synthetic wigs. They have their own wigs that they make. I know a lot of companies sell brands like Outre and Milky Way and Freetress. Like this particular company, they have their own brand. They are an eco-friendly company as well. That's one thing that I can say that I really liked about this company. Like everything is so eco-friendly. So if you guys are interested in this wig is called the Sasha wig. So this unit does come in 10 different shades. It comes in this shade that I have in here, which is FS1B-30. They also have a burgundy one, they have a blue one, they have a white one that's like gray white, they have a purple one, they have a plain black one. They just have a whole bunch of different colors that you guys can choose from. So if you do like this curl pattern, you can definitely check out some of those other colors, or if you're somebody that likes big curly colored hair. Can you say that 3 times? Curly colored hair. It's also a little bit shorter than the other unit that I reviewed last time. This unit is only 20 inches compared to the other one that I had. That one was, I believe, like 24 to 26 inches. It was pretty long, and I know a lot of you guys were talking about that. You said you guys love the wig, but it was a little bit too long for you or for your wearability. So for you guys who don't like long curly hair, I think this will be a better option for you. And I mean, look at these curls, you guys. For $21, like I will go ahead and buy all 10 colors. Like even if I'm not gonna wear all 10 colors, like they're only 21, like this unit is only $21 right now. Like, and it is on sale. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure that you guys act quick on this hair, make sure you buy it up. On the website, it also says that this hair has been protein infused. Because this hair has protein in it, it says that it's going to make the hair last a lot longer than it probably normally would if it was just a basic human hair blend wig. So they did put protein in this hair to help these curls last you a lot longer. And what I will say, the more you play with this hair, the bigger it gets. So just be, you know, wary of that. I know some people probably want to know whether or not you can wet this hair. I'll show you what happens when you wet the hair. I have a water bottle right here. It doesn't really do anything to the hair. Like, it's not like how it would be, I guess, like if you had like, I don't know, but you guys see. So you guys can see like what it does when you do wet it. I guess it does kind of tame it, but it's not gonna do like help define the curls. Like, I wouldn't wet this hair and get a comb and get to brushing it out like you would with like some real human hair. Like, that's not what you can do with this. But it did do a little something, I guess. I don't know. You guys let me know if you guys see any difference. But I am wetting the hair just to see what'll happen if you wet the hair. What will it do? Will it alter anything? It doesn't really seem to be altering much. It still seems to be the same. And I'm just like taking a handful and just kind of there. Yeah, I mean, it does a little something. I guess it helps tame the frizz a little bit, but it doesn't really do too much to the wig to make it like, you know, it's the same pretty much. So yeah, it actually does look a little bit better since I did wet it. So that's good. You can tame the curls with water, so that's also good to know. Have you ever tried this wig out? If so, leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this wig. Is there a wig that you would like me to try out on Hera Remy's website? Maybe I can pick up another wig for you guys and review something else for you. But just let me know what you guys want to see. And until next time, bye!